I bought this little AIRKII handheld vacuum. The good thing about this is it's wet and dry vacuum. It could hold up to 30 milliliters of fluid. It has a 40-minute runtime. It takes 6 hours to charge, and it has a 4000 milliamp hour battery. I bought this for quick pickups around the house and to use in the car as well. So this is everything you get with it. You get a little instruction manual. It gives you basic information. They give you a nice size bag, so you could keep this in your car, or if you're going somewhere you could just take it with you. Like if you're going to the beach and stuff and you get sand in your car, you could take this with you in this bag and you could do a quick pickup. They give you a charger. I'm here in the UK. I just put in there and it adapts to a normal charger. You get a dusting brush, what you can use on your keyboards and your Venetian blinds, and you can also use this as an upholstery tool as well. I use it on the car dashboard. You get a crevice tool. Now what I like about this crevice tool, it's nice and slim, so it really fits down the side, so it's good for your nooks and crannies. They also give you an extension pipe. You could use the crevice tool and the dusting brush with this. That would obviously just simply fit on there and the other end into the machine. And to further your reach, they also give you an extension pipe, which is quite wide, and again saying you put the tool at one end and the vacuum on the other end. Now onto the main product itself. So it's nice and light, it's not really heavy, and it may look a bit big, but it's good. And then at the bottom here, just got a sticker there. It's got a sticker here. The AIRKII has 3 filters, which I will show you in a bit. So let's start from the back first. That's the charging port. Now when you put it on charge, it lights up red, and when it's fully charged it will light up green. But when you first get the vacuum, do make sure to fully charge it. When I fully charged it for the first time, I think it took less than 4 hours. Now the back, the air vent, that opens from there. If you push it, that opens, and then there's a filter in there. Now all the filters are washable, but do remember when you do wash the filters, make sure they're 100% dry when you put them back in, of course. So that would go back in there, and that just clips back on there. Got some AIRKII branding on that side. That is the on-off switch, and that there, it's the dust cup release button, and you can also access the filters from there as well. So you'd open that, so you take that filter out, of course wash that and let it dry, and then in here you will take that out. Now this filter here is stainless steel, so that should last you for a very long time, and you can of course wash this as well. And that's the dust chamber in there. As you can see there, it does have a large size. That's the suction path there. Go back in like so. That would of course fit in there, and the machine just clips back on. The tools do fit on directly to the machine, or you could use the flexible pipe or the extension pole, of course, to further your reach. So they would just go in like so. I've put down some rice, some rolled oats, and I can't remember what else is there, because that's a mixture I normally use to do my vacuum cleaner tests. And that is some Cheerios. Now any parent would know this kind of scenario happens, so all you do is on. You can see that it does have powerful suction. Now here we've come to Cheerios. Now pick that up, pick that up, pick that up. When it comes to the larger bit, you can see it's stuck there, it's not picking up. But the solution to that, this is why I really like this. Take that off, on, there you go. Adjust my keyboard. I've put the dusting tool straight onto the machine. Now from here, as you can see up there, I've got curtains. So if I want to do the curtains, I'll just take this off. I'll get the extension, pop that on there, pop one end into the machine, and I'm good to go. Look at that suction there. For an 80-watt motor, it does have some oomph up there. I'm not even holding it on there now, it's holding it itself. That's the power of this 80-watt motor. I've just put the extension tube on to show you a demonstration with the crevice tool. Look at the length of that. You could get down any nook and cranny with that. That's the end of my quick demonstration with the AIRKII. Would I recommend this vacuum cleaner? 100%. I'm definitely pleased with my purchase, and for the price as well, it's definitely worth it. The 80-watt motor in this does have some oomph. Parents, pet owners will definitely want to get this vacuum. I've got kids running around making mess, and the fact that it's a wet and dry vacuum. Yes, admittedly, it can't pick up a lot of wet liquids. You know, it's only 30 milliliters, but still it is enough. Thank you very much for watching.